Right, here we are. My car's all washed, all clean. So we're going to use this new finish polish. And it's also a ceramic coat. So you need to have cloth I've just wet, and you put some polish on there, and then you wipe it. So that's what I'm going to do. This is a brand new one. And yep, it's sealed up. Comes like that. So you have to take that off. So use that. You put something like that. We'll start with the bonnet. So you just make sure you're happy with the way it's looking. You can use it like a polish as well. So I'm just doing it like that. Your car should be really clean when you're putting it on, not like this. I think that some bugs on there. So I'm just doing half. And then sit in, go across to the other side, add some more polish, and I'll do the rest of the car.